When it comes to the bass is okay. I love the bass, but I'm a kind of person that when I play music, I love to disturb.
The connectivity is awesome. You can be far away from the speaker and it's still connected. The
The Divoom Tivoo has been my go-to Bluetooth speaker on my decks and on the go. In this video, I am going to talk about my experience of using this speaker for the past 2 months. What's up guys, it's Michael and this unit was provided by the guys over at Divoom with no strings attached. The unboxing experience looks really premium. Opening the box, we have the speaker itself, micro USB and the auxiliary cord. This Divoom Tivoo has been my go-to Bluetooth speaker, which there are some few things that I really like about it that are really amazing, and there are some not so good things that I really need to be questioned. Firstly, it is the amazing price it comes at, which is $69.99, and at this price I really like the quality of bass it produces, top notch to the extent that a lot of people ask me to lend it to them to use for a while. Also, I use it to disturb people when there's no light, but the sound quality and max volume is really average, way below my expectation. I didn't see it coming because of what the Divoom Time Box produced. It is not as loud as the Time Box, which broke my heart. It has a glossy finish that attracts fingerprints and can get scratched easily, which that has happened a couple of times on this side. The different input method is really lovely. It has an auxiliary port which I can use when I'm editing videos on my PC, or just give the cord to someone to play music through the 3.5mm headphone jack on his smartphone, which if you don't want anyone to connect his or her phone through Bluetooth or auxiliary, then you can buy a micro SD card and play some audio without getting those annoying notification sounds. The display of the Tivoo can be increased, reduced and also be turned off so that the battery life can be extended, but I only use this display when I want to shoot B-rolls. I turn off the display when I want to play music at max volume. Battery life on here is really decent, which I get up to 3 hours with the display turned off, and when the display is on I get up to 2 hours, and the charging is pretty slow, which it comes with a micro USB to juice it up. Here is what some of my friends have to say about this speaker.
Yeah, hello guys, Mike Irumaka here. So after using the Divoom Tivoo speaker, all I have to say about this particular speaker is that I feel and believe that the makers of this speaker need to improve on the sound. Now, when it comes to the bass is okay. I love the bass, but I'm a kind of person that when I play music, I love to disturb. More especially if I'm using an external sound speaker. So I believe that they should just improve on the sound, like the volume. It's going to help a long way. The speaker is nice. I enjoyed making use of it. It's a very nice speaker, and kudos to the makers of this particular speaker. Peace.
that speaker is a very loud speaker. It can be playing music and from downstairs you can hear the sound of the speaker. The connectivity is awesome. You can be far away from the speaker and it's still connected. The display is nice. You can change your display. You can also off the display for your battery to save. And of course, the battery life is awesome. This speaker is one of a kind, and it's like a TV, a small TV. It's very nice and people love it. That's why I love the speaker. Thank you very much.
The Tivoo is a really good speaker, but the quality of sound that it produces on here should be improved to the one on the Time Box, and the price should be reduced a bit lower, at least by 10%. The body of this speaker shouldn't be glossy. I would have preferred a matte finish. Love the various methods of playing music and the retro TV vibes it gives me. If you want to get this Bluetooth speaker, then click the link in the description, comment your thoughts below, like, share, comment, subscribe, and I will see you on the video showing on your screen right now.